when we have a division problem, there are a couple different ways that you can look at this. What we said before is what? What are we supposed to do with the exponents when we have a division problem? What do we do with the exponents? I heard someone say we're supposed to subtract them. If it's a division problem, you subtract the exponents. And earlier we said, well, you always just go top to bottom. So 2 minus 8, so this would be x to the 2 minus 8, which is negative 6. And in this case, we'd say, okay, well, if I have negative 6, then I need to move that to the bottom. I can't have a negative exponent for my final answer. So I would say, let's move this down to the bottom. So 1 over x to the 6th. The negative sign goes away when you move it. The exponent is still there. It's still a 6, and this would be a final answer. But there's a quicker way to do this. Instead of subtracting top to bottom every single time, I always suggest that you just subtract the larger number, 8, minus the smaller number, 2. But pay attention to what order they're in. If I'm doing 8 minus 2, where was the 8? Was it on the top or was it on the bottom? It was on the bottom, which means my final answer will be on the bottom. So let's do one quick example that looks like that. If we had x to the 7th over x to the 9th, which one of these numbers is larger, 9 or 7? 9. 9 is clearly larger. Is 9 on the top or is 9 on the bottom? It's on the bottom, which means that it will be on the bottom when we're done. And what is 9 minus 7? 2. Either way of doing this works the exact same way. If you want to subtract them top to bottom, get a negative exponent, and then move it, that's fine. If you want to just say 9 is bigger, so it'll be on the bottom,